Alrighty. I know I'm in the middle of the Revell project, but Paul at International Scale Modeler has a group build going on, and that is the Foose Ford FD 100 pickup truck. So I figured I'd do the unboxing real quick, check out the kit. That way when I'm getting ready to get started on it, I already have this out of the way. So this is by Revell. It is a 124 scale? 125th scale. Probably will be doing this one literally box stock. We'll see. I don't think there's any real reason for me not to. Just want to participate. So we have the body, tires, axles, clear parts, screws, chrome, and the instructions. So this is not a new kit. It's been around for a little while. It's new to me, obviously, but all right, let's see. Let's start with the body real quick. All right, so we have the body. A little bit of seams in the front here. Or not too bad. Much better than the other kit that I'm working on currently. Foose logo. I might take that stuff off to fix that. So we have the body. Let's put that aside. We'll look at the sprues next. Alrighty, so red sprue, little ass taillights. I'm guessing those are taillights. Looks like we got our truck cab, firewall, inner firewall, springs, suspension components, rear axle, 4-link. This looks like our engine, brakes, transmission pan, cylinder heads, exhaust, radiator, valve covers, manifolds, carburetor, so it's carbureted. Alrighty. Interior, door panels, steering column. Okay, here we got our hood, our bed and step rails. It's a weird combination to have together. Looks like our dash is loose. Front steering and our chassis. Got the bottom of the tub and the seat, and that is it for the white plastic sprues. Let's get this open. This looks like a pretty simple build. Gotta pick out a color for it. Might do it in black. Alright, rear bumper, front lights and grille, front bumper, door handles? Oh, separately molded door handles. Rearview mirror and the Foose wheels. So I'm going to put this one back in. And I'll probably keep most of that chrome depending on where it's that part of the tree. I might have to touch those up. Alright. Clear parts, as Paul says, could make or break a kit. Little wavy. Not bad though. No scratches. Oh yeah, definitely keep them back in the bag. Got a rear glass, our headlamps, and front glass. Tires. Wow, these are some of the best tires I've seen. There's not even any. There's not even a center seam. Not even a center seam. How did they get away with that? I'll put them back in here so we don't lose them. Like I said, just our axles. Alright, let's see. This should be our decals and our instructions. Is our decals? Oh, there they are. Well, I got decals for the door panels and interior. And a decal for the trunk. Alright, for the bed. I probably will try my hand at wood grain. I don't know, we'll have to see. See where all these go. Guessing this is so you can make your own place card. So I doubt they'd have that on the truck somewhere. Holy color callouts. Oh, those aren't even color callouts. This is just literally naming every part. I have never seen that done before. Here's the color callouts over here. Aluminum metallic, black matte, gray silk matte, black gloss, black silk matte, silver metallic, iron metallic, and orange clear. Yeah, definitely holy color callouts. Jeez. Yeah, so those were valve cover. Oh, the valve covers. Engine and chassis, but probably not do it in that order. Doesn't make much sense to me. You could pretty easily detail this up pretty good. I don't think I will have time to meet it within the group build. I don't know if I'm going to do the Foose interior either, so I probably won't even use those decals. I don't know. What colors do you think I should do? Remember, I don't have an airbrush, so it's going to have to be whatever I can find on a shelf somewhere. Yeah, there's the taillights. They're in the back bumper. They're so freaking tiny, too. That's got freaking hinges too. Alright, well, there you have it. Let me know. Tips, tricks, if you built this built this before. Let me know what you think. What color should I do? Not necessarily saying I'm going to pick whatever colors you guys say, but probably might get inspired by something. But yeah, like I said, probably going to build this pretty much out of the box. Just a quick fun kit to build, and that way we can relax from the Chevelle a little bit. It is driving me nuts. So, alrighty. See you guys later. Till next time.